A popular new trend, pearl dust in drinks makes for a fun addition to any party. Shimmer and sparkly, it makes for a mesmerizing cocktail. Fortunately, you can make these adorable drinks right in your own home. Pearl dust is an edible product you can add to food and drinks. It comes in a variety of different colors and makes lustrous highlights with a glitter look. It can easily be brushed onto food or mixed in with your favorite drinks. How to make a pearl dust drink. If you want to make a fun drink that looks like a potion, a pearl dust drink is a perfect choice. With only a few simple ingredients, you can create a truly delicious cocktail that is a showstopper. It is a great addition to any party or holiday celebration. Though these drinks look luxurious and expensive, they are quite budget-friendly to make. You can also make them in so many stunning colors, including green, blue, red, pink, gold, purple and yellow. You can even mix and match colors to create gorgeous sparkling swirls. Whether for Halloween, New Year's Eve, or any party, these shimmery drinks will make a wonderful addition. Your guests will be in awe of how these incredible cocktails look and taste. What you need. To make sparkling drinks, you will need alcohol, edible pearl dust, and clear glasses. The best types of alcohol to use for these drinks are flavored liqueur or vodka. You can also use wine or other alcohol, such as tequila or rum as well. For the edible pearl dust, a little bit will go a long way. Though the packages of edible dust are quite small, it only takes a small amount to achieve the desired effect in your drink. For more creativity, you can buy several different colors to use. Making your cocktails. A basic recipe to make shimmery alcohol is using 12 ounces of flavored liqueur mixed with 3/4 of a teaspoon of edible pearl dust. This gives you a great base to start with that you can then add to wine or soda. You can easily turn your favorite cocktail recipe into a shimmery version. To make your shimmery alcohol, add 12 ounces of flavored liqueur to a clear glass bottle. Then, add 3/4 of a teaspoon of your choice of color of edible pearl dust. Stir the mixture until the pearl dust is fully incorporated. You can then add the lid to your bottle and keep the mixture for future parties. You may need to re-stir it before using it to make sure the pearl dust hasn't settled. For best results, use room temperature alcohol when making your mixture. Examples of mixtures you can make. For a red shimmery drink, mix 12 ounces of cherry liqueur with 3/4 teaspoon of red dust. For a pink shimmery drink, mix 12 ounces of pink grapefruit liqueur with 3/4 teaspoon of pink dust. For a yellow shimmery drink, mix 12 ounces of lemon liqueur with 3/4 teaspoon of yellow dust. For a blue shimmery drink, mix 12 ounces of blue curacao with 3/4 teaspoon of blue dust. For a green shimmery drink, mix 12 ounces of sour apple liqueur with 3/4 teaspoon of green dust. If you are wanting to stick with just one color of edible pearl dust, silver is a great option. You can add it to colored alcohol to make a beautiful mixture. Another way of making cocktails. When it's party type, there are several different cocktails you can make with your shimmery alcohol. A classic option is to mix it with Moscato or sparkling wine. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice and then add your shimmery liqueur. Shake the mixture for about 15 seconds. Then pour it into your glass of choice and fill it 3/4 full, then top the drink off with your Moscato or sparkling wine. You can also make many other cocktails such as margaritas, martinis, or anything you would like. You can easily incorporate it into just about any cocktail you would like. For something fun and unique, you can even take shots of your shimmery liqueur. This is a great way to make any party extra fun and memorable. Non-alcoholic option. If you are wanting a non-alcoholic option, you can add pearl dust to the fruit punch. Make your favorite fruit punch recipe and add 3/4 teaspoon of edible dust for every 12 ounces. Silver is a great color to use, however, you can use any color you like based on your fruit punch recipe. Tips and tricks. Edible pearl dust is a great way to create shimmery alcoholic drinks as you see in grocery stores at your own home. The dust is safe to eat and creates a beautiful shiny, glitter effect in beverages. It makes it look like you have created a powerful potion. You can make so many different color combinations, including green, blue, yellow, green, and many more. To make your shimmery drink, you simply need to start with 12 ounces of flavored liqueur or other alcohol and 3/4 teaspoon of edible dust. Then, simply mix the two and you now have your pearl dust drink. You can add it to mixers such as Moscato, sparkling wine, or even a light, clear soda. If you want, you can also add the dust to the fruit punch to create a non-alcoholic option that is kid-friendly. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.